Hello children, today we will discuss today's our session with some another system, that is metric system. So let me tell you exactly what is metric system. This system includes measurement of length, mass, capacity, all these things. Okay, so before starting this lesson, children, do you know long back how the people used to measure the length of different objects? Do you know that? They use various non-standard units like your handspan, cubit, foot, fingers, all these things. But after that, it was giving a different answers. That means these answers never gave accurate answer. So to avoid this confusion, we have to follow the standard units. What exactly standard units and how we are going to follow this? So we will discuss today's in our class. So today's topic, children, measurement of length. So this system, metric system, we will start from this topic, measurement of length. So let me discuss what is exactly length. Okay, so length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance. Okay, size of an object or distance of 2 points. This is about your length. What is length? Length is a term used for identifying the size of an object or distance of 2 points. Okay, so children, we are taking the example of this blackboard, how to measure this using our handspan. So let me show you. Suppose 1, 2, 3. So in my hand, it's taking 3 handspan. If in place of me, if I would have to ask to one small kid to measure this, that means the measurement will be vary. Yes or no? So for this different answers, we should have to follow one standard unit. Okay, what is the standard unit and how we will measure this? So children, nowadays we are taking to measure this measuring tape, ruler and different things to measure the object's length. So what exactly it is? This is your meter, or we can write in short M. Clear? So these nowadays we are taking as the standard unit of your length, standard unit, or you can say base unit. Okay, so I am writing here. Children, see, I am giving the arrow mark in upward direction. I am writing here DAM, next HM, next KM. Clear? Then see, downward direction, this is your DM, next CM, next MM. Clear? So this is one chart. You can say this is your chart. Easily how to remember this chart to get the answer or to use the units. Okay, this is your standard unit or base unit. Standard or base unit. So above the standard unit, you can say these are called higher units. Clear? And below that, you can say this is lower unit or smaller unit. Clear? So how we are using this higher unit and lower unit? Okay, suppose we are taking one example. What is the length of an eraser? So it is a small object. So for the small object, we can use the smaller unit. If I'll ask, what is the distance between Cuttack and Bhubaneswar? So in that case, will you use this millimeter? No. In case of that, the distance from one place to another, the longer distance, we have to use this higher units. So I have written, children, these are in short term. So this km stands for kilometer. Next hm, that is your hectometer. Next dam, that is stands for decameter. There. Next standard unit is your meter. Next lower unit written here dm. Dm stands for decimeter. Then cm, centimeter. Centimeter. Then the smallest unit, that is your millimeter. Okay. So this is one format from higher to lower unit, or we can exchange lower unit to higher unit. Okay. So how to remember this or how to follow this format? Okay. So in clothes of children, you must have seen the meter scale, that is from 1 to 100 meter. 1 to 100 meter means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That means in 100 meter there are, in 1 meter there are 10 small divisions. Okay, that means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So meter is here, centimeter is here. So how we are telling that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter? That I am going to show you how we are telling that 1 meter 100 centimeter, or how 1 centimeter equal to how much meter. Okay. So easily one formula you can remember. So this is called your downward and this is called your upward direction. Means when we are converting this higher unit to lower unit, and this is the conversion from lower unit to higher unit. So we will discuss first this lowerward direction, means how we are changing the higher unit to lower unit. So let's start from this kilometer. So children, one thing you remember, when we are changing kilometer to hectometer or hectometer to decameter or decameter to meter, means one step. We are changing one step downward direction, then we have to multiply by 10. That means 1 kilometer, this is one step, children, yes or no? So 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer, right? From hectometer to decameter, 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter, right? That means when we will change kilometer to decameter, see how many steps we crossed? We crossed 2 steps. So that means 1 kilometer equal to 10 into 10 means 100 decameter, right? Then 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. Decameter to meter, this is also one step. We are coming down one step, right? Then 1 meter to decimeter, that is 10 dm. 1 dm to cm means 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to how much? 10 millimeter per step. Clear? So if I change kilometer to meter, 1 kilometer equal to dash meter. So children, you can see how many steps we are crossing? 1, 2 and 3. That means 10 into 10 into 10. 3 steps we are coming down. So multiply 3 times, it's coming 1000. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And 1 meter, I am asking how much centimeter? So meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, 2 steps. So 10 into 10, how much children? 100. Right? So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now you got the children, how we are converting and how we are getting the value that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So children, now you tell me 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. How much? Meter to millimeter. How many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps. 10 into 10 into 10. That is exactly your 1000 millimeter. Got it? So 1 meter, 1000 millimeter. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. So children, this is your conversion from higher unit to lower unit. Okay. So if in place of higher to lower, if I'll ask that children convert 1 millimeter to meter. Got it? So children, you see, millimeter is your smallest unit and it's asking to convert to higher unit, millimeter to meter. That means we are changing in upward direction. Clear? So in that case, you will divide. Clear? How to divide and what value you needed to divide this? So like this, for step you have to take 10. That means this is 1 step, this is 2 step, this is 3 steps. That means you should divide this 1 by 1000 meter. If I am writing 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter, then when we are changing this one to this one, means millimeter to meter, you should divide by 1000. Clear? If it is asking 5 meter equal to dash, 5 millimeter equal to dash meter. So what to do? 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1000 meter. 5 millimeter equal to what? 5 by 1000. Okay, you can write in decimal form also. We have already discussed this topic. 0.005 meter. Got it? If I'll ask 1 meter, how much kilometer? 1 meter equal to dash kilometer. What to do? Meter to kilometer. When we are converting kilometer to meter, we are going to multiply. When we are changing meter to kilometer, what you will do? You will divide. How much value? You need 1000 to divide. So it's coming 1 by 1000 kilometer. Got it? If it's asking 25 meter equal to dash kilometer. So what value you will put over here? 25 meter means 25 upon 1000. So how much you are getting in decimal form? 0.025 kilometer. Got it, children? So this is your conversion of this length units, how to change from higher unit to lower unit, what are the higher units, what are the lower units, and what is your standard unit. Okay, so this is all about your measurement of length and conversion of your units. Now we will discuss how to add the value or how to subtract the value. Okay, so let me show one example, children. Suppose one question is given. Find the sum meter 60 centimeter, 2 meter 6 centimeter and 84 centimeter. Okay, this is your question. Find the sum, how to add it. So meter, centimeter, both the units are given. So make it in column or arrange in column. Give the heading meter and centimeter. But here it is given 8 meter 60 centimeter. And next one given 2 meter 6 centimeter. Now the question, where you will write the 6? This value where you will put? Either here or here. Where you will put? You will arrange here only. And 1 0 you will add in this left side of this number to make it like form or make it balance. And next one, it's asking 84 centimeter only. Meter part is 0. Okay. Now we have arranged in column. Put a symbol to add it. Now how to add? Like your normal counting number, how we are adding. You just add it. 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, 5. 1 you will carry over here. Because if it's coming 150, so 50 will be keep over here and 100 will be carry forward to here as your 1 meter. Because 1 meter 100 centimeter. Okay. So 1 will be carry forward to this meter place. 8 plus 2, 10 plus carry 1, 11 meter 50 centimeter, or you can write 11.5 meter. Got it? So in this way you will add the value, and in this way also you can subtract the value. Okay? You have to arrange it, you have to make it balance. You have to place the 0 in the left side of the digit, because in normal number left side 0 there is no value. So make it balance by adding 0 in this case. Then you just add it or subtract it like your normal addition and subtraction. Clear? So children, for today only this much. We have gone through this measurement of length, and next class we will discuss how to measure mass and capacity.